In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Excel templates for BI Publisher. We'll be putting together a simple Excel file that can serve as the foundation for your BI Publisher reporting template. The process is straightforward, and the key is to keep your worksheet clean, organized, and easy for reporting tools to work with later. To begin, open Excel and start with a blank workbook. This gives you a fresh canvas to build your template properly from the ground up. When you're creating files for BI Publisher, it helps to think ahead about structure. A well laid out spreadsheet makes it much easier to format reports and map data correctly later on. Next, add your report headings. These headings should represent the columns or sections you want your report to display. For example, your headings might describe names, dates, totals, departments, or any other fields your report needs. Try to make each heading clear and consistent, since these labels help define the overall layout of your template. Keeping the headings neat at the top of the worksheet also makes the file easier to review and maintain. After that, add some sample data beneath the headings. This sample data is important because it helps you visualize how the finished report will look once real data is flowing into the template. Even a few rows are enough to test spacing, alignment, and general readability. Make sure the sample entries match the type of information expected in each column so your template reflects realistic report output. Once your headings and sample data are in place, go to the File menu. This is where you'll handle saving the workbook so it can be reused as a template or shared for BI Publisher-related work. From the File menu, click Save As. This option lets you control where the file is stored and what it will be called, which is especially helpful if you're organizing multiple templates for different reports or departments. Now choose a save location. Pick a folder that is easy to access later, especially if this template will be updated regularly or shared with other team members. Keeping your files in a clearly labeled project folder can save time and reduce confusion. Then enter a file name and click Save. Choose a name that clearly identifies the purpose of the template so you can recognize it immediately in the future. A descriptive file name makes version tracking and collaboration much easier. And that's it. You now have a basic Excel template prepared for BI Publisher use. Starting with clear headings, realistic sample data, and a properly saved workbook gives you a strong base for building polished reports efficiently. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.